Morning. Today I will demonstrate how to install the Find My Bee tool. Find My Bee tool can be downloaded from the product website. This is a Chrome-based extension application. You can see the file extension is CRX. It works with the Chrome browser only. So, how to install this CRX file? Open the Chrome browser. Go to extension setting page. This page will list the Chrome apps you install. Drag the install file to this page. Before you drop the file, please ensure you have seen a wording "Drop to install" appear in the window. If you did not see this wording, although you still can continue installation, but it will pop up a warning message. Extensions, apps, and links can harm your computer. Are you sure you want to continue? When finished, it will show the extension cannot be added from this website. Okay, so let us enable the develop mode and drag the file to this page again. If you are sure the develop mode is enabled, but you still cannot see a wording "Drop to install," please close this Chrome browser and open it again. So now you can see this wording "Drop to install." Okay, and then drop the file. A message window pop up asks you, do you want to edit Find My Bee? Click Edit App button. After installing the extension, you may find it in Chrome's extension page. Also, if you have it installed, you can get extension application out in the Start menu. Clicking the extension application, bring up a window display all the units within the network as a list. Now you can click a bar of any of the shown devices to go to the Bee Manager. Thank you for watching A10 FAQ video channel. See you next time.